Aylen Davis was born on February 8, 1987 in Havana, Cuba. She is 34 years old as of 2021. Her astrological sign is Aquarius. Aylen Davis was born and raised in Cuba.
Watch the video to the end. I will be very grateful to you.
She lives in the United States. In 2005, the Cuban beauty started working with ADM celebrity fitness model and talent agency. She has also modeled for Alliance Entertainment Group from 2006 to 2010. The curvaceous beauty has been published in famous magazines like Lowrider, Hard Body, and more. Aylen has also worked with some beauty and fashion brands like Maven Beauty, Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, Icon Swim, and more. Aylen Davis stands 5 feet 4 inches tall or 162 centimeters. She weighs 60 kilograms or 132 pounds. She has a beautiful brown hair and brown eyes color, marital status, unknown, nationality, Cuban.